My name is Frank Larea. I'm the founder of Ash Packaging here in Dallas. We're a full systems integrator from filling, capping, all the way through palletizing and stretch wrap. I opened up the business by selling 2 little David tape machines. That was my first sale, made $700, and with that money, went out and bought a checkbook, went out and bought some other things to start getting the company going. My wife was saying, whoa, wait a minute. And I said, we don't have time to wait. We need to get going.
When my parents started the company in the early 80s, my brother and I were both still in school. And during the summers, we were told we had to get up early at 6 o'clock in the morning when our parents got up to go to work. And we would come with them and we would work in the facility. Wasn't too happy being that I had to give up my summers, but it was a great learning experience for me because I really learned to value and appreciate the sacrifices my parents made and the commitment they had to provide great solutions for packaging and exceptional customer service.
We were known as a ma and pa shop, and Hispanics that can't provide the type of service and equipment that the major companies can. We overcame that challenge by providing the right equipment with the right materials for the customer's needs and backed it up with service that I provided personally to keep their equipment running. And we've maintained that stand throughout the years to where we're at today.
I started with the company back in 1986. I started with driving the trucks, the warehousing, moving up to doing technical service for the company for about 8 years. Early 2000, I went into sales and I never looked back. I create complete system lines from start to finish. I can take you from the time you make the product to the time you got to pack it out and ship it out the door. If you're a 3PL business, we can help you with that. If you're a food industry, we can help you with that. If you're a supplement business, cosmetics, we cross the board from A to Z in all different types of industries.
In 2018, we became a partner of Market Image to cover the state of Texas, which was really endearing to our company because that's the focus of where we wanted to be. And we wanted to have immediate access to the equipment and the consumables to give our customers timely installation and service.
Boy, I'd have to tell you from a personal experience from the first day that I met Frank Larea and I had the opportunity to tour this lovely facility, I was hooked. Just really an ideal partnership for us and has been now for going on 6 years. What we do is we combined our direct sales and technical teams with our distribution partners. Our hybrid go-to-market strategy has really allowed us to reach customers at speed in order to capture customer service. If I look at the impressive inventory that they have here at Ash Packaging, which includes Markham Image printers, our consumables, our parts, their unique services, everything rolls up into one blanket and really allows them to achieve that customer satisfaction, maximize customer uptime, and I think have that relationship that's so important with our customers that allow us to have long-term business together.
I found what I love to do, and I want to be the best that I can for my customers and for the family.